Hello, I'm Skyler from InfoWest. In today's tech tip video, I will be explaining how to find your Ethernet cable. What is an Ethernet cable and what exactly does it do? The Ethernet cable is quite an amazing thing. It connects your computer to your high-speed internet. This is what an Ethernet cable looks like. The way I like to look at it is it's pretty much like a phone cord except wider. They also come in an assortment of colors, so yours very well could be a different color than mine. They also come in different lengths. The longest you'll ever want your Ethernet cable to be is 150 feet. Which is plenty enough because the longest we've seen here at InfoWest is 50 feet. Okay, we identified the Ethernet cable so we can check that off the list. Now we just need to plug it into the port on the router and the laptop so we can connect to the internet. Now that you're all plugged in, you should be set and ready to start surfing the internet. If you are still not able to identify the Ethernet cable, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 435-674-0165 extension 2. Until then, thanks for being a part of our family.